Today we're solving addition and subtraction one-step equations. From the previous lesson, you know that we have to balance the equation. Things have to be equal on both sides of the equation, and what we do to one side, we do to the other. M minus 25 equals 37. The inverse of subtraction is addition. So I'm going to add 25 because I want to get rid of the 25 and just have my variable m on this side equals. Since I added 25 on this side, I'm going to add 25 on this side. Negative 25 plus 25 is 0. And now I'm going to do my addition. 5 plus 7 is 12. Carry the 1, write the 2. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 2 is 6. So m equals 62. And we're going to check our work to see if it's correct. I'm going to put a box around my answer. And now I'll check my work. So m is 62. If I subtract 25 from 62, I should get 37. So now let's do the subtraction. I can't take 5 away from 2, so I have to borrow. 6 becomes 5 since I'm taking 1 away, and 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. 5 minus 2 is 3. 37 matches what's in my equation, so my answer is correct. Now let's look at s plus 16. Again, I have to balance the equation. In order to have my variable s by itself, I have to get rid of 16. So the inverse of add is subtract. Minus 16. What I do to one side, I do to the other side. Minus 16. 16 minus 16 is 0, which leaves me with s. S equals. Let's do the subtraction. I cannot take away 6 from 2. 6 is larger than 2, so I had to borrow. 9 becomes 8. 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. 8 minus 1 is 7. S equals 76. Now let's check our work. 76 plus 16. 6 plus 6 is 12. Carry the 1, write the 2. 1 plus 7 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. 92 plus 76 plus 16 equals 92. So I know my answer is correct. I'm going to put a box around my answer.